Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Caesar. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 11. Say for instance you want to share the password with one of your friends or family members, or you want to connect one of your other devices onto the network. This video is going to help you on how to go about doing that. But before we proceed, make sure that the computer that you are checking the password on is actually connected to the target network. Let's proceed. So basically what you have to do, you have to click start and then go to the search and then type in control panel. And then you click on control panel, and upon getting there, you're going to see network sharing and center. Click on that. And once you get there, this window is going to pop up showing all the networks that are connected to your computer. Click on this link of the current network that is connected. When you click on that link, this window is going to pop up showing the status of the current network. So click on wireless properties. And then this window is going to pop up. Then what do you have to do? You have to click on the security tab, this one. Then this is going to pop up again. It's going to show the security type, the encryption type, and the network security key, which is your Wi-Fi password. All you have to do is check on the show characters box. Then there you go. That is your Wi-Fi password, guys. Hope this video helped you guys, and yeah, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.